Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading only the assets you will edit now. This keeps focus. Once done, make sure to name tracks clearly, dialogue, SFX, music, and set a 0 dB ceiling to avoid clipping. You organize takes into folders and mark preferred takes with a hotkey. That saves time during passes. Use 48000HZ sample rate and enable timecode for syncing. Finally, save an incremental version. You want a rollback point if you need to undo a major change. You perform edits in clear passes. First rough trims, then tighten phrasing, then fix breaths and clicks. Once done with rough cuts, make small crossfades of 5 to 10 ms to avoid pops. Make sure to preview transitions at multiple points. Use subtractive EQ, cut 200 to 400 Hz for muddiness, then apply gentle noise reduction, keeping artifacts minimal. Finally, compress with low ratio for consistency. Listen for pumping and adjust attack and release to preserve natural delivery. You complete the edit by level matching dialogue to your target LUFS, -16 LUFS for many streaming platforms, and normalizing peaks without clipping. Once done, export separate stems for dialogue, SFX, and music, and make a final mixed master plus a backup of the project. If you encounter problems, distortion, missing audio, or sync drift, make sure to check routing, sample rate mismatches, and any plugin latency. If needed, re-import the problem takes and repeat the small repair steps carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.